Hey friends! Today, we're diving into how to color skin tones using hard tip markers, and I'll show you how to create soft, natural shading even with a limited marker set. First, let's talk about shadow placement on the face. We'll sketch out the basic face shape first. After refining the lines, I like to use a lie box to transfer the lie work onto my final paper, but we'll skip that step today. Now, onto coloring. Start by laying down a smooth base using your lightest skin tone. Here I'm using color 132. After that dries a bit, go back in with the same marker to deepen shadows like under the eyes, cheeks, chin shadow, areas beneath the hair, and optionally around the nose and jawline. Next, layer in a slightly deeper skin tone. I'm using color 25 here to enhance those shadows. Depending on the mood you want, you can lean more toward pinkish or orangey tones. I'm adding a touch of orange red to boost warmth and depth. For the neck and collarbone, you can softly edge the shadows with a low saturation purple or blue, like color 145, to add subtle cool contrast. Don't worry too much about precision. If the blending gets patchy, just go back over it with your base color to even things out. Let's quickly define the lips with a fine liner or colored pencil. For the eyes, I'm just doing a simplified version here. A light blue washes the base and a bit of shading around the eyelids. I accidentally blurred the shadows at one point, oops, so I had to keep fixing it. Hair? We're skipping most of it this time, but I did want to show you how the overall skin tone looks with a bit of contrast. I added some soft blue shadows, 183, and blended with a vibrant cyan to make it feel more dynamic. The key here is using a mid-tone to smooth transitions. Don't be afraid to experiment. Now for the finishing touches. Use a white-colored pencil. I'm using Holbein OP500 to add that crisp highlight in the eyes. You can also go in with a white gel pen, like Sakura, for extra sparkle. I like to dot a little highlight on the cheekbones too. Makes it extra cute. Oh, and don't forget those small details like stray hairs or softly lining the eyelid crease. And ear with a reddish-brown pencil. I used Faber-Castell 378. And we're done. Here are a few quick takeaways. Even base color is everything. A smooth foundation makes everything else easier. Most hard-tip marker sets don't have great skin tones, so I recommend investing in at least 3 to 5 ultralight shades, especially Farcala markers, which also have refills. People are super sensitive to faces. We notice the tiniest mistake in skin tone. So always start with the skin. You can always redo it until you're happy. Shadows should feel natural and subtle. Don't overdo them. It's better to imply depth than to draw it too harshly. Let me know in the comments if you want a part 2 on soft tip markers or blush techniques. Thanks for hanging out and happy drawing!